everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this food they call Parmigiana di zucchini in Italian. This is a typical Italian recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using: flour, all purpose of flour, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, egg, fresh zucchini, basil leaf which is not here, also tomato sauce, and zucchini. So these are the ingredients, guys. First thing I'm going to do here is to cut off the two sides of the zucchini. This zucchini is already washed, so make sure you wash yours first, okay? So I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can slice this zucchini, okay? First, I'm going to start off by slicing it in this straight way, which I don't really find comfortable. I can't lie to you. So I'm just showing you guys how to slice it. So the second way to slice it is to slice the zucchini into two, like cut it into two, and go ahead to slice them open, just like 1 centimeter each thick, okay? So after showing you this one, I'm going to show you another way you can slice your zucchini as well to make the things easy, okay? I really love this way. This way is very easy to start with and to end with. So yeah, choose whichever one you want, okay? So I'm done slicing the zucchini. Now I'm going to break in my egg into the bowl. Whisk the egg very well. So after whisking the egg, I'm going to start egg washing the zucchini, like put it in the egg, add to the flour, and set aside. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. So go ahead and coat all the zucchini into the egg and flour. Then we'll move to the next step. I've already placed my vegetable oil over the heat. As you can see, they are very hot, so I'm going to fry both sides of the zucchini. It's going to take me 2 to 3 minutes each side, but that is what you're going to do. Just fry both sides until you are done frying all the zucchini. So I'm done with all the zucchini. Now it's time to cook. First, I preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So this is the sauce I was talking about. Make sure you cook this sauce for 10 to 15 minutes with salt, basil leaf, and garlic, and extra virgin of olive oil, and also some basil leaf. So I added the sauce. Now I'm going to be section the zucchini into the pan. Just go ahead and section them the way I'm sectioning them here, okay? So after adding the zucchini, I'm going to add the sauce again on top of the zucchini. So after adding the sauce, I'm going to now add my mozzarella cheese, followed by Parmesan cheese. I use about 3 of this mozzarella, but you can use as much or less, okay? So after adding the Parmesan, I'm going to add another level of tomato sauce on top of the zucchini. Then I'm going to go ahead to add the last level. As you can see, I'm doing 2 level of the zucchini. You can actually do 3, depends on how much how quantity like you're making. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now to add everything and repeat what I did before. Okay, then we're ready to bake the food. This last one, I'm going to be adding my fresh basil leaf in just on top of the casserole, zucchini casserole. Then I will put them in the oven and allow them to bake for 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes. And this is the final result, guys. I didn't cut them because they are very, very hot here. I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is it's very good for summer, you know, because when you bake it at night, in the morning, if you want to go to the seaside, you already have food ready. Try this recipe. I know you're going to love it. Thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.